shake her ass and drop it low. Fresh to death, I'm polo, and we are in the middle of the flow, incompletely going ATL, HAM, you know it. Niggas don't dance no more, they acting, and I can understand it with all the back end and all these shawties throwing at this party. I'm like, nigga, you tripping? You better act like it dope. You better grab you something, take your ass to the floor. Since clear, I'm here, and I ain't leaving up out this bitch till the time to go.
Now put your hands in the air, shake your body down slow. Go and bring it back like you never did it before. Keep your hands in the air while you drop it down low. Let me see you work it out like a stripper on a pole. Your body looking amazing when you're dancing like that. Girl, get up on the stage and go and do your thing. Sexy, beautiful lady, won't you bring it right back? Go ahead, pull up, my lady, you're my boomerang. When we drop that party bass.
Colombian cocaine.
Let me take a selfie. I want to look tan. What should my caption be? I want it to be clever. How about living with my bitches, #live. I only got 10 likes in the last 5 minutes. Do you think I should take it down? Let me take another selfie.
girl you got on me. It's like magic. Got me feeling like a fall in love. Got me feeling like I never give up on. Got me feeling like I never give up on you. It's like magic. I got you feeling like a fall in love. I got you feeling like I never give up on. Got you feeling like I never give up on. It's like magic. Got me feeling like a fall in love. Got me feeling like I never give up on. Got me feeling like I never give up on you. It's like magic. I got you feeling like a fall in love. I got you feeling like I never give up on. Got you feeling like I never give up on. Magic, 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 magic. It's not the way you wear your hair, or you just cut down to there. Oh no. It's not the way you move your eyes, so it took me by surprise.